What if I told you that right now, today, you could start making $1,000 a month using only free tools that anyone can access? No investment, no experience, no degree needed. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, and every single tool I mention is completely free to start. Welcome back. This channel is all about using AI to build income and stay ahead of the curve. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real ways people are making $1,000 or more every month using free AI tools, and how you can copy exactly what they're doing starting today. Method 1. AI freelance writing. Businesses desperately need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and social media captions. They pay between $30 and $150 per piece. Here's the play. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork for free. Offer blog writing services. Use Claude AI, completely free, to write the content in minutes. Deliver to the client. Keep the money. One client needing 4 blog posts a month at $50 each is $200. Land 5 clients and you're at $1,000, working maybe 3 hours a week. The free tool? Claude AI. Method 2. Selling AI-generated graphics. YouTube creators, small businesses, and coaches constantly need thumbnails, logos, social media posts, and banners. Most have no design skills and hate doing it themselves. Use Canva free plan combined with Adobe Firefly free tier to create stunning visuals in minutes. Charge $15 to $30 per thumbnail. A YouTuber posting 3 videos a week needs 12 thumbnails a month. That's $360 from one client alone. Get 3 clients and you've crossed $1,000. The free tools? Canva.com and Firefly.adobe.com. Method 3. Writing video scripts for YouTubers. There are millions of YouTubers who have great ideas but struggle to write engaging scripts. They'll pay $50 to $150 per script. You use Claude to generate a full, structured script in under 5 minutes. Polish it slightly, deliver it. Charge $75. Do 4 scripts a week, and you're making $1,200 a month, spending maybe 2 hours of actual work. Post your service on Fiverr, Reddit communities like r/newtubers, or even reach out directly to small YouTubers in your niche. The free tool? Claude AI. Method 4. Social media content packages. Small businesses know they need to post on Instagram and LinkedIn, but have no time to create content. They pay $200 to $500 per month for someone to handle it. Use Claude to generate 30 days of captions and post ideas in one sitting. Use Canva to design the visuals. Schedule everything using Buffer free plan. You're delivering an entire month of content in about 3 hours of work. Land 3 clients at $300 each, and you've hit $900. Close enough to add 1 more small client and cross $1,000 easily. The free tools: Claude AI, Canva.com, Buffer.com. Method 5. AI resume and LinkedIn makeovers. Job seekers pay good money for a professionally written resume and LinkedIn profile. Rates range from $50 to $200 per resume. Use Claude to rewrite their resume, optimized for ATS systems and the specific job they're targeting. Takes you 15 minutes. Charge $75. Do 4 resumes a week and you're making $1,200 a month. Market yourself on LinkedIn, Fiverr, or local Facebook job seeker groups. This one is especially powerful in India right now because demand for job applications is extremely high and competition in this AI niche is still low. The free tool, Claude AI. So let's recap. 5 ways to make $1,000 a month using completely free AI tools. 1. Freelance writing with Claude. 2. Graphics and thumbnails with Canva and Firefly. 3. Video scripts with Claude. 4. Social media packages with Claude and Buffer. 5. Resume writing with Claude. Pick just one of these. Start this week. Even landing your first $50 client proves the model works, and then you scale. Drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. If this was useful, subscribe.